how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest.com. So basically, the idea is you choose a niche and you search for posts that are related to that niche, and you select the viral posts, and then you go to Amazon.com. So before that, after selecting the post from Pinterest, you re-upload the posts on your account, and you go to Amazon.com. You create an account for Amazon Associates to see this bar right here, as you can see in this color, gray color. And you should go to Amazon.com. You choose a product that is related to the niche you choose before. Then you click on here text, and you get a link, your affiliate link, that takes to that page, the page of the product you choose or the category you choose. You take that link and you copy it on your post. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I choose the food and beverage industry niche. So let's browse through these posts, and let's see if we can find a post that is good to be reposted on our account. So let's remove this industry and let's leave food and beverage, and let's see the post that we have here. So we have a lot of posts. So let's see if we can find a good post we can upload. So let's choose from one of these smoothies. Let's see. Let's see what else we have. So I've got an idea. So let's choose this one. Let's choose this smoothie. We click on download the image. So after downloading the image, let's hit create, and let's create an idea. So we go to this new tab and we hit create new, and we drag the picture and drop it on the page. Then we go to the post, we take the title. So as you can see guys, this is pretty easy. You don't even need to think, you just copy and paste everything. You can always be creative. You can create your own posts and your own descriptions. So if you want to create pictures or posts, you can shoot them yourself, or you can create them with canva.com. So after taking the description, we proceed to the next step, which is adding a link. We go to Amazon.com. We search by our niche, but I already have a product in mind, which is blender for smoothies, as you can see. So let's choose the best seller. So we have some best sellers like this one on here, but let's choose from here best sellers. So as you can see, this is one of the best sellers here. So let's go with the first one. It has a pretty good price, so we'll have a pretty good commission from this one. We click on it and check, see if we can find some problems. If not, we're good to go. So after choosing the product, Let's scroll a little bit down if we can see another products that can suit us. So let's check this one. So this is very new product. This is a new product. So I think it's just stick with the one that we already chose, the previous one. This one, Magic Bullet Blender, small silver, 11-piece set, and it's also a best seller. So we go to text and we take the link and we drop it on here. And then for this next step, we have adding tags. So guys, make sure to add as much tags as you can, because tags help the post go viral and help your account with reach and reaching a lot of people, and also helps your post to be on the home feed of the platform. So let's go with blenders. So we can't find anything in that name. So let's go with food art, healthy food. Let's go with smoothie, healthy shakes. Let's go with healthy shakes. So make sure to choose all the tags that you can choose. All the tags you find, just choose them. Healthy recipes, foodie, food chain, healthy. Let's see if we can find healthy shakes, healthy smoothies. So make sure to choose as much tags as you can. Let's go with smoothies, breakfast smoothie. So I think guys, you get the idea. You just choose as much tags as you can and then you hit publish. So guys, for this method to work, you need to upload from 10 to 20 posts every day, and you need to stick to one niche. Don't jump from niche to niche. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.